3. Another blow to Bill Cosby's defensive charges. He drugged and fondled a woman at his Cheltenham mansion in 2004. Here's KYW Suburban Bureau Chief Jim Elwood.
Pennsylvania Superior Court will not decide whether or not Bill Cosby's accuser should have been forced to take the stand at his preliminary hearing. Prosecutors did not put Andrea Constand on the stand at that hearing, instead relying on detectives to read excerpts from interviews with Constand in 2005 and 2006. A lower court judge ruled that is acceptable for purposes of a preliminary hearing under Pennsylvania law. Superior Court issuing a one-line order today saying the Commonwealth's motion to quash is granted, meaning they will not hear the appeal. Cosby's trial scheduled to begin June 5th. This is not the end of defense motions to drop charges, though. No decision yet on an argument from his attorneys that Cosby's due process rights were violated by the 10-year delay in filing charges, claiming his memory and eyesight have deteriorated. At the Suburban Bureau, Jim Melwart, KYW News Radio.
KYW News Time, 6:04.
Campaign 2016, the final stretch. Continuing KYW News Radio coverage of the race for the White House is sponsored by Barbera on the Boulevard. Is Barbera the best? Boy, I guess.
Donald Trump campaigning in Ocala, Florida today. He says his campaign will have been in vain if he doesn't win the election.
If I don't win on November 8th, I will consider this the single greatest waste of time, energy, and money of anything I've ever done. Because we're not going to be able to reduce your taxes.